So in this video, we're going to go through a little bit of post-processing. We'll create some pressure contours and calculate the power generated by the blade. So this will go under component systems and go to the results system and drag that in. And then we'll drag our solution from Fluent over into the results. So I'll transfer and double click on results to open the post-processor. It's now opening. And so we'll see we have our flow domain with our blade inside of it. We'll start making a pressure contour. Call it pressure 1. And so the domains, all domains, location on the blade wall, variable is pressure. We'll turn the contours up to 100 contours so we get a little more to see. And then under render, we'll also go and turn off the contour lines. We don't want to see those. Click apply. And if we zoom in on the blade, you can drag a box around it with the right mouse button. We'll see we have low pressure on the downwind side of the blade. And on the other side, we have higher pressure. So that's good. That's what we wanted to see. And the next thing we'll do is we want to look at the pressure contour in a cross section of the blade. So we'll go up to location and click down. We'll click on plane. We'll call this XZ plane. So we want this plane will be in the XZ plane. Hit OK. So method XZ plane or ZX plane it says. And for Y, let's pick Y as 0.1. We can move this around if we want to look at different slices of the blade, but this is a good place to look at for now. Click apply. And then we'll go up again to contour. We'll call this one pressure 2. And this time for domains we'll go, domains is fine, but locations will go to XZ plane. Variable pressure. And this time for range we'll make it local. Still go to 100 contours and not show contour lines. So we'll apply it. We'll click on the Y axis so we can view in the Y direction. With the right mouse button, make a box around the blade. We'll also go up here and turn off the wireframe so you don't see the blade. Turn that off. And turn off the first pressure contour as well. And so we can see we have our blade and we have this low pressure region behind this high pressure region out front, which would give us the torque we want. And the final thing we'll do to calculate the power, we'll go up to calculators, double click on function calculator. For the function, we'll select torque. Location will say the blade wall. Scroll down. The axis, we're looking around the global Z. That's the direction the blade's spinning around. For the fluid, select air and click calculate. And so we get the torque here. And if we multiply that torque by the the angular speed, which is 98 radians per second, multiply it by 3. For the total of 3 blades, we would get the power produced by the system. And that's it.